feels like you understand me a bit better now. Hello?
Hi, this is Mara with Express Auto Repair. Looking to reach Renee Chamberlain?
This is her husband.
Oh, I apologize. I just wanted to let you know your vehicle is ready for pickup.
Word? That's what's up. Y'all are like the 5th shop I brought it to. Thank you.
No problem. If you need anything else, please let us know.
Actually, you still there?
Yes, sir.
Can you put it in my name only? I'm the one picking it up.
Yes. We'll just need ID the day of.
Sounds good. Have a good one.
Hello. Hi.
Hey.
Hey, I'm sorry, are you closed?
Nah. It's all good. What can I do for you?
Oh, this phone is getting on my nerves. Something about it won't connect to the network. I don't know.
Let me see. Network looks active.
Medium hot almond milk with agave.
Huh?
Ava's Cafe. Alfadamo.
I knew you. You make it perfect every time.
Best believe there ain't nobody better.
Forgive me. What's your name?
Ava.
Ava's Cafe. So that's all you. Okay then. Ty.
Figures. You be looking all good in the suits.
It looks like you dropped it.
Always. I know. I need a case for it. Any recommendations?
These are some good ones. They all have lifetime warranty.
You know, actually, I make the best dark roast at home.
Oh. So you've been holding out on me.
Just a little bit. But you can come see what the best really tastes like if you want.
You know what?
No. What? Come on, in-law. You were gonna go? Try to get you some? Nah, why'd you hide your ring then? Dang. You're not even worried about how betrayed or disrespected Renee would feel? That's wild. You just so selfishly focused on you. You're not in tune with yourself? Cool, but don't go drag my sister's heart into that. That silence, that's what's setting you up, bro.
Y'all look so cute here. I ain't seen you in a minute. You look sharp, big bro. How's your mental? You know, I ain't gonna be the one to make you speak. Guess I should probably cop a case on my phone. You said those all come with a lifetime warranty? So if I drop my phone, like it completely shatters, does that help me repair it? Even if it's my fault. All I gotta do is communicate my problem and they'll help me fix it. For a lifetime. Sounds like a partnership worth the investment. I'm in. But are you? Dad told me to ask you.
What are you standing for? You just shutting her out. For what? What are you standing for?
Me! I'm standing for my value, my appreciation. She done got comfortable, Pop. Like being married done locked me in. I'm drifting, man. Like, what happened to the effort? Don't feel the same no more. I feel like we roommates.
And tell her that.
I shouldn't have to. She should figure it out just like how I do when something's bothering her.
Go to a doctor and tell him to figure you out and see how far that'll get you. She been blowing your phone up, begging to talk to you, and you won't. And she ain't gonna have but so much fight left in her before she drift off too.
It shouldn't be this hard. You all right?
Yeah.
Let me help you.
Nah, I got this.
Pops, come on.
I said I got it,
You don't. Just let me help you.
Stop it.
Just let me help you.
Now that, right there, that's what I stand for. Stop trying to do it all alone. Marriage ain't easy. And you're not gonna get nowhere being all closed off. I fucked up. Just before you was born. I let them urges get the best of me. Stepped out on your mama and I hurt her bad. I tried to convince her that it was just a mistake, that she was enough for me. Said she believed me, but I don't think she ever got over that hurt. It ruined her. Renee is a phenomenal woman. She's tailor-made for you. Y'all are God-aligned. Don't be the same selfish coward that I was. And don't let your wife go through the same thing that your mother had to endure. Please.
Heart meets mind, huh? Can I just talk to you for a second? It took 5 mechanics to fix our car. We should have given up at 3, max, but we were adamant. We need to have that same energy with Renee. I don't want to step out on her, and I know you don't either.
Don't. I almost did, I'm sorry.
You didn't.
But I thought about it, man. Fucking horrible.
You're human. Temptation will come, and it's gonna keep coming. You should actually be happy whenever it does, because temptation is an opportunity to do the right thing and to be a good person, to her especially, because truthfully, she's the best thing that ever happened to us.
I know.
Hey, feels like you understand me a bit better now.
I do.